Welcome back, guys, to QBSYLUHV channel. Today we'd like to talk about the local trades for Bitcoin Cash with my customer care set. Let's dive in. Like you remember, guys, this FIB still relevant. I mark main zone where I would like to open long. So this zone. It's not necessary, so we have to drop so low, but we tested 61 low by FIB. This FIB is legit. Here's a zero level, $90.16. Here's a top, 329.45. We hold the line at 38 low by FIB and collapse down to 61. Based on what? We have to drop 36% or even 42% down. I don't know. That's why this zones, it's the best entry for long term. You can, if you open here with a proper stop loss, you can maybe hold till the next all-time high or even high, because not every single coin will be the previous all-time high. But it's not necessary, so we will come back now to this level. We can come back later, maybe even after a year or half year, for example. That's why this zone is the main level, but usually 61 low by FIB on local correction is more than enough. Like you can see, we didn't close fulfill or even 50% of this gap, weekly gap. So this one. So we only tested 23 low by FIB. Based on this gap on a FIB, we can come back to 138. This 61 low by FIB, it's exactly 78 low by FIB by global one. I don't know what have to happen now. So we will drop like this one. This scenario still possible. Maybe Bitcoin dominance going up, and money inflow in Bitcoin. And in this case, yes, some altcoins can go in deep correction. It's not necessary, so we have to drop to 123. But this zone between 141 and 123, it's a good time to open long, So this is how it works. On a monthly, yes, on a monthly, we close all gaps. That's why the higher time frame, the strongest zone. If we take a look on indicators, ADZ direction on a weekly, here, no signal on direction. All main signal was here in November 2022. Here on ADZ, accumulation, and we're in the middle. If we will drop, we will see one more accumulation, and it will be the good time to buy. That's why this zone still relevant. We have all chances push the price so high now. How high we can push the price based on even indicators here. First of all, it's a deviation at the top. It's a 300, 400, and the next stop is here 800. That's why if the market makers push the price so high and we will see the crazy green October, November, we can see something like this one on ADZ divergency and something like this one on the chart, and after 800, we can drop it down to this main support block and drop from 800 to 400 minus 50%. It will be pretty hard. Based on the market mood on a weekly, here was a time to out of a coin. Now the market a little bit come down. So if we go to daily time frame, here is total extreme mood on the market. Here's a disbelief. It was a time to buy. How to work with market mood? I will make totally another video on my educational channel. And here's after disbelief mood here from the bottom, it was 38% pump. Even not from the bottom, even from 61 low by FIB, it was 30% pump on the spot. This is how you can use market mood to determine the best entry point even on the spot or for futures with proper risk management. If we take a look on trade on a daily, here was buy signal, pump, take profit from pump. Here you can close 100% of your long. Here is a signal to sell on a daily. Here is a signal to close all shorts after 40% and new signal to buy. After signal to buy, it was one more confirmation. We made 23%. This is how you can combine all indicators to determine the best entry and exit point. On a weekly, the same story. If you trade swing trades, position trades, here was a signal to buy, take profit, signal to sell. Now, One more reason why we can drop so low, because no signal, even recommendation close position. Of course, this one main signal is relevant, but we can see something like this one. That's why I recommend you go and double check the last indicators, take profit. Why we can drop one more time to this low, because here's a buy line. Buy line now at on the weekly, it's 129. I don't think so we will drop to the fundamental price once again. No, I think most negative scenario for Bitcoin Cash, it's 129. Daily time frame, like you can see, the same story, 155. It's a buy line, but 50% of this range between the buy line and take profit, it will be around 136, 135, this area. Personally, for me, would be good to see something like this one. Hold the line, build the main support, make a recover move, and never come back to these levels in the next 2 years. Guys, I hope you like this video about Bitcoin Cash. Write please any comment what you think about this current situation in the market. Subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the notification button. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.